If the Start button on your Windows 10 PC is not working and you want to know how to fix it, we are here to help. We have got some effective solutions to get your Start button back to working condition. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research trying to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Method 1. Restart Windows Explorer. One of the first solutions you need to try is restarting the Windows Explorer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Locate Windows Explorer under the Processes tab. Right-click on it and select Restart. Wait till Explorer restarts. Sometimes the simple trick can solve your issue. Method 2. Restart your computer. This is a slightly tricky solution as the power settings are placed in the Start menu. Here is an alternate method to restart your computer. Save your work and close all open applications. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open the login screen. You will find the power settings in the lower right corner. Restart your computer and check if the Start menu appears. Method 3. Create a new profile. Sometimes creating a new user profile can bring back the Start menu. Open Settings by pressing the Win plus I key combination. Then go to Accounts and add a new user. Log into the new account and check if the Start button works there. You might need to migrate your files to the new profile if it does. Method 4. Run a system file check scan. Our final solution here is to repair corrupted system files that may be causing the issue. First, open an elevated command prompt. Type CMD in the Start menu and right-click on the top entry. Here click on Run as Administrator. Type the following command to run an SFC scan. SFC/scan now. Wait for the scan to complete and restart your computer. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing the Windows 10 Start button when it's not working. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.